Assalamualaikum children, I am Miss Ghazal. How are you children? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, as you know that there are 26 letters in English and they are categorized in 3 types like sky, grass and root letters. Children, now I am going to tell you that why we call the sky, grass and root letters. Children, those letters which comes on above 3 lines are called sky letters. Like B, D, F, H, K, L and T. Children, these all letters comes on upper 3 lines. That's why they all called are sky letters. Now children, second one is the grass letters. Children, those letters which comes in between 2 lines are called grass letters. Like A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X and Z. Those are called grass letters. Children, last one is the root letters. Children, those letters which comes on last 3 lines are called root letters like G, J, P, Q and Y. These are called root letters. Children, this is your new phonic language series 3 means PLS. Now open your book. Children, open the page number 5 and unit number 1. Today we discuss the sky, grass and root letters. Children, you will color on the grass, root and sky letters. In sky letters you will color the blue and in grass in green and the brown color will be in root letters. And second one is the page number 7 and unit number 1. And children, in this page you will write the sky, grass and root letters in the presence of your parents. Thank you.